Beautifully machined Smith & Wesson or Colt, some gas will escape from that and you'll lose a little bit of power. The Soviets, or the Imperial Russians at the time of the design, didn't like that. So when the pistol was designed, you'll see this cylinder actually indexes forward and actually creates a gas seal with the barrel. There's no rotation, the cylinder is actually locked against the barrel. And with that round here, if you flip it around, you notice the, other side, sorry. The cartridge is actually inset inside the casing there, or the bullets inset within the casing. Between the gas seal here and that casing, it creates a really perfectly gas-tight seal, and it increases pressure of the projectile going down the barrel. It also has the neat side effect of actually making this pretty much the only revolver you can silence. So post-war, the KGB or the other, evil empire organizations created silenced versions of these that are used in assassinations and that kind of stuff.
GI's Nick gave him that nickname. It's a nickname the GIs gave it. It's actually I forget the model designation, but it was developed out of wood, so mine detectors were.
This is a modern day copy of all that. So it's like a semi-auto, it's not fully auto. It's a GSG MP40. Just go on the Google or online search engine and type that in. You'll find it on online gun stores, or you can call up the gun store and ask.
Okay.
Yeah, the GSG MP40. That's all you have to look up.
They're about $650.
Thank you.